how to fix Windows not activated issue. So if you want to fix Windows not activated issue, then just watch this video. So if you're seeing the dreaded Windows not activated message on your PC, then don't worry. So whether you're using Windows 10, 11, 8, or 7, these solutions will work for you. So the first method is go to your settings, search for settings, and here you need to go with Windows Update, or you can go with Update and Security, and you may have an activation option right here, or you can just simply go with the search, which will be on your settings, and search for activation and click on activation settings. Now under activation settings, if you see a message indicating that Windows is not activated, there will be an option to run the troubleshooter. You need to just simply go and run the troubleshooter. Or the second method is if you have a legitimate product key, you can use the SLMGR tool to re-enter the key and reactivate the system. So you can do this by opening the command prompt. So search for CMD on your search, right click on your command prompt and go with run as administrator. And now click on yes and enter the following command, which is slmgr .vbs space / IPK space and enter your product key and hit the enter. Or the third method is if you have linked your Windows license to a Microsoft account, then you can log in using the same account on the device after changing or reinstalling the system, which may help with reactivation. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.